Some of the applications for 3D printing. Architecture. A lot of architect firms now are getting into 3D printing. And even though you do have 3D renderings on a computer that you can show people, how awesome it is to hand someone a 3D model of their concept, whether it's a building like the Louisiana State Capitol building or a complex or whatever it is, to be able to put that on a client's desk or give it to them, now they can display that model. In engineering and automotive and aerospace, that's another industry that's using 3D printers, such as this jet engine, this compression engine from GE. They put this model out for people to be able to 3D print. And this was done in different pieces, as you can see. This is actually the inside of a compression engine. So the jewelry and fashion industry are using 3D printers now. A lot of artists will be able to create their concepts and their ideas to use in movie props, but also businesses like these rings. You can model things at such an intricate detail with 3D printers, and you can have these things, these plastic models, converted over to metal, and you can sell these as a business.